Good day everyone, today we will review this Avengers EndGames Bluetooth hands-free review. As you can see, this is a Ironman design and they have the Captain and then you put on it, then you just use by one on your right ear and then you put another one on your right ear. They will automatic grouping for both earphones, so you need not to do any setting on it. So on the Ironman face there is a touch button. You can touch for 2 seconds to accept call, or you can touch it for the volume up and down. For the right hand side is to volume up, for the left hand side is to volume down. A soft touch on the right hand side will be volume up, a soft touch on the right hand side will be volume down. But for to accept the call is a 2 second, or double tap to reject the call. Wow, this is cool. I can't wait to try on this. And then see you next time. Do subscribe our channel if you like our review. Now you can get this fantastic Ironman Bluetooth hands-free at the 28mall.com, and I will share out the link later in my video and also my blog post. Do go and check out their website, and this is the latest item in their mall. Don't miss it. And I can't wait to see the Captain America Bluetooth earphone too.